Hi everyone, so if you're new to NordVPN, it may not be super obvious what you can do to actually get access to Netflix. Now everybody has access to Netflix, but the idea here is to get full access to all of the shows that are available on Netflix and not just what you can access according to your region. So if you didn't know, Netflix divides its library depending on the regions. And so if you're in the States, you will be getting access to the state's library of Netflix. If you're in Germany, you'll be getting access to the German library. And so if you just got NordVPN in order to access Netflix and you're not sure how it works, well, here's how it works first. You want to download and install the VPN after getting yourself a subscription. You can use the links below if you'd like to save a little bit more money on your subscription. After downloading it, you'll be able to log into the application. Whether you're on your smart TV, your phone, your iPad or tablet or desktop or Mac or whatever it is, you'll be able to use NordVPN on all the devices once you learn how to use it. And basically, the way it works once you've logged into the application here is, let's just say you want to access the American library. Maybe you're abroad or you are in the States, but you want to access the Canadian library perhaps. So what you can do is just zoom into the map here, and you'll see we have Montreal, Toronto, and actually Vancouver is also on the map. An option here. So we could, for example, connect to the Vancouver server. And in order to double check that we're indeed connected to the correct server, now that I'm connected, I can just go to what is my IP address, and you'll see that it'll say I'm in Vancouver, again, not because I'm physically there, because I'm simply connected to the NordVPN Vancouver server. And so when I go to Netflix, let's say I already have my Netflix logged in and everything. Once I give it a refresh, it'll switch to the Canadian library. And so it's basically as simple as that. Now, as far as NordVPN itself, is it a good option for streaming and whatnot? Yes, I would say it's actually one of the best options. In fact, it's one of the best well-rounded VPNs that gives you a whole bunch of bonus features for a very reasonable price. In fact, while maintaining a level of performance and security that's comparable to giants like ExpressVPN, for example. And as far as streaming and torrenting, it fully supports it without any limitations or throttling. And you do have peer-to-peer specialty servers for torrenting, as well as a bunch of other specialty servers that can come in handy in a variety of situations. You have threat protection, which is sort of like an ad blocker and malware, and virus blocker also, so it's like a mini antivirus. And you have a couple of other features here that can be very handy, and also the kill switch and split tunneling. I'd recommend checking out the review below if you'd like to learn all about Nord. But if you're just interested in streaming, torrenting, or simply protecting your data so that nobody will be able to see what you're doing online, then NordVPN is a great choice considering that you also have 61 countries, which is pretty good. Enough for most people to really access all of the popular Netflix libraries and all kinds of other streaming services. So if you guys are interested in Nord, feel free to use the link below. Again, it'll give you a nice little discount that'll help you save a little more money on your first subscription. And you'll also find the review if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security features of NordV. And there is a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you change your mind for whatever reason. Transcribed. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.